Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shinin. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be focusing on the eyes using this palette here from Juvia's Place. This is a mini berries palette from Juvia's Place, and I want to play with all the palettes that I bought from that collection. This is the shade in this palette and I really do like it, so I created this smoky look. In this palette you get 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. This one here has a little shimmer in it, but it's more like a matte shade. So I use this in the middle of my lid and then I smoke it out with the darker shade, which is this one here. I'm gonna give you guys some swatches right now. So we're gonna go ahead with this shade here. And you guys see, this one is beautiful. So I'm gonna go with the other shimmer. They're really soft as well. Ooh, look at it right here. I'm gonna swatch this one here. This is the one I use in the middle of my lid. Whoa, wow. I didn't want to use any shimmer shade this time around, but girl, look at this. Wow. This dark one here, this is not the one that I use. I'll show you guys the one that I use. So this one is more like a dark berry. I'm gonna swatch it again. So this is the one here that I use as a transition shade right here. I'm gonna put a little bit more so you guys can see it. Let me go ahead and swatch this one and just swatch it right here. So I'm going to try to blend it out because there's a little bit of fallout. I think I picked up too much. So these are all the shades in the palette. I'm not surprised because you guys know I'm a big fan of Chi Chi and her collection. So of course I wanted to create this look for you guys. So let me just show you guys the stuff that I use. So this is the foundation I use. This is from e.l.f. This is a satin finish and this is Nutmeg. The contour, I use this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright collaboration, and I use this for contouring and highlight as well. All over the face, you guys know I love my Iman Cosmetics. I use this all over the face. I don't really know the shade of this because it's washed out. If you guys haven't seen my last video on the drugstore products that I use most of the products in this video. For the lips, I use a different lip shade for this look. I use a lip gloss from Makeup by Shayla collaboration with ColourPop, and I use this lip pencil from MAC. This is one of my favorite lip pencil. This is current and I don't use this too much because MAC stuff is very expensive. These are all the products that I use. I just want to share with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh.